Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how you add coolant to your vehicle. So first open the hood, and then your coolant reservoir here. And this is where you typically are going to add all your coolant to. And on the sides, you can see there's like a max line down here and a minimum below that. So when you fill it, you don't want to fill it completely to the top. There is supposed to be some air gap. And this system works under a pressurized system, and this liquid can get to a boil. So you don't want to work on the system while the vehicle's on or it's hot, just because you don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. Make for a bad day. And then also double check your owner's manual for the best type of coolant for your particular make and model. And typically you also want to match it to the same color and type that's already in here. Best not to mix and match if you can help it. But when you're ready to add, you just pop this open, and either straight from your coolant jug or with a funnel, add your diluted coolant up so you get around that maximum mark on the side. It doesn't have to be exact, but pretty close. And then when you're done, just put this closed again, nice and tight, so nothing falls in. And then at this point, I would probably start your vehicle and let that new coolant run through the system. That way you can help see if there's any different leaks or cracks through the reservoir or the radiators, anything like that might be causing coolant to puddle around the engine bay or under the car. If you do see some liquid start to puddle, wait until that apart from water condensation, as it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. And if you don't really want it on your skin, but if you have a glove on and feel it, it should feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.